Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So today we're in Fitzgerald, Georgia, spent some time with family for Christmas, and we found this old shop up there. There's a 66 Chevelle sitting there, and there's some other old cars right here. It's a 65 fire truck, and there's some other cars inside, so let's go check them out. So this is a 65 fire truck, Fitzgerald Fire Department, American Leaf France. It's a Ford 850. It's a tilt cab. They're gonna restore this or turn it into a call hauler. Got the old CB radio on it, General Electric. See the headliner's falling down a little bit. It's got the lights, GE lights on it. American Motor, American Leaf France Corporation, New York. And right here, Ford. There's another old International over here. This is the 66 Chevelle that he's going to restore. Guy's just been sitting here, but he just did another one. It had a 396 Muncie 4-speed. There's a steering column. There's another one there. So he's going to pull this in pretty soon, start working on this. The other one was about this shape too before he redid it. He just showed us pictures of it. It's really nice. So let's go over here and check this International and some of the other cars in the shop. So right here is the old 1210 International. It's got a little winch on the front. All-wheel drive. The big hubs on this thing. Almost looks like a Suburban. It's like an old Suburban. Let's see this door open. Yeah. Look at this. Look how many miles. Look how many miles on this. 59,000 miles on it. Wow. He's gonna restore this too. See if we can get this hood open. Here we go. I don't know if you can, I can read this. Probably not. No. Started since 1999, so it's been sitting. He just got it over here, so he's gonna start working on this. So let's go check some of the cars out in the shop. So inside here, he's working on a Chevy 10. It's a 64 Chevy 10. It's got the front clip right there, and there's the cab with the engine, and they're got the door off. Been working on that. It's got headers already installed on it, and right here they're doing the floor pan rocker. They cut that all out of there, welding a new piece in there, so they're getting that all done and getting this truck restored. I guess it's his son's truck, so they're redoing it for him. And there's the back of it. So the cab's back here in the back, and right back here is a 57 Chevy that they're restoring. Right now it's in primer, and they're stripping it all out. They got the interior stripped of it and all that, and you can see right there there's a Cushman motorcycle. This used to be a Cushman motorcycle dealer and shop back when it was a shop and they were open. That's his owner's motorcycle, and that's his son's motorcycle. That'd be cool to ride one of those. So they got some other cars that they're working on in here too in the paint booth. So we'll go check the rest of the 57 Chevy out and look at the interior, see what they're doing to that before we go over and look at the car in the paint booth. There's the engine. There's an old little motorcycle bike, little old Monterey, little 1-cylinder spark plug little bike. That'd be cool to ride that. And then right here's the 57 Chevy that they're working on. So they got it all gutted out. There's the steering column sitting there. Whole back seat's out. That's all in primer. They did a whole floor pan on that. They took it all apart, and they're restoring that right now. There's the back truck bed. This used to be an old police car, 57 Chevy police car. And there's the light still on it, so they're gonna put it back on there. So I think that would be pretty cool. Back there's the bed for the truck. You see it back there in primer. So they're working on trying to get that going also. So this is another car that they're working on, a Plymouth Viant. It's got a side draft carburetor. There's the engine. I hope you like to walk around with these cars in Georgia. We're going to be going to Florida here soon, tomorrow. So if we find any more cars, we will videotape them and we'll put them on our channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. And you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motor Garage. And thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time on JC Motor Garage.